Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on full screen. Playing in full screen mode truly enhances your gaming experience by removing distractions and providing a much larger, more immersive view of your blocky world. It's incredibly simple to switch between windowed and full screen, allowing you to fully dive into your adventures with just a few easy steps. Let's get started and transform your Minecraft view. The fastest way to go full screen in Minecraft is by simply pressing the F11 key on your keyboard. This single key press will immediately expand your game to fill your entire display. It's a universal shortcut that works seamlessly across both the Java and Bedrock versions of Minecraft, making it incredibly convenient for all players. Give it a try for instant immersion. Another reliable method involves adjusting your game's video settings. From the main menu, navigate to Options, then select Video Settings. Here, you will find a full screen option. Simply click on it to toggle between full screen and windowed modes. This gives you more control over your display preferences and ensures your game looks exactly how you want it to. If you encounter any issues with full screen mode, there are a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, make sure your Minecraft game is fully updated to its newest version. Also, verify that your computer's display resolution is set appropriately for your monitor. Sometimes, a quick restart of Minecraft can fix any temporary glitches, getting you back to your immersive full-screen experience in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.